Hey everybody, it's Roya. Today I was painting this painting and I was thinking about the variation of experience that we might have with grief. I think grief is generally one of the most devastating things that a human being can experience, period. And there's no formula for it. There's no predictability in the way that you might react. There's no time period that you can predict that this thing would last. And there's the variation might be when you lose somebody. 10 years from that, you came across a moment in life that puts you in this deep state of grief immediately, regardless of the last 10 years that you dealt with it. You deal with it in a new ways every day. You experience it in every situation. It's a beast that cannot be tamed, and at the same time it is at its most tamed when you just let it take you. And this is the one of the hardest things. That's one of the angles of it's being one of the hardest things. The fact that not only the fact that we might lose something or someone we love, but we don't have any control over the process after that either. And yeah, let's paint.